Subway. Steep steps lead deep into the hot guff of a claustrophobic world of stains and stickiness. Machines are gatekeepers, in front of which only perfectly performed rituals permit access to the far side of the black-barred barricades. Ladies and gentlemen, the polite female voice calls commuters to attention in an endless loop of liquid language. Train doors slither apart. Bodies compete to leap aboard in time to claim the rare prize of a seat, or grab a fist-sized spot on a shiny metal tube still warm from another's touch. Humans of every shade, shape, and size pile on, push and pulse, plugged into digital lives, their faces focused on phones, lengths of white cheese string wriggle between ears and devices clamped to palms, as reality, like a filmed backdrop, rolls around them. Girl in 50s shawl-necked dress, cute block-heeled, peach suede shoes, studiously mutters, glancing at shaking sheets cocooned in her nervous bubble. Singular civilities germinate and bloom, a chivalrous offer to sit, acknowledged by a catching of an eye, a shy smile. Identities assertively proclaimed via piercings and tattoos of infinite variety. An argument of lawyers hold court by the doors, blue-suited their ties flash and shriek, their briefs and speech proclaim their profession. Hip-hop performer bounds aboard, weaving welcome words in his beat, cap in hand for contributions, his swirling, supple body infects the space with breathless agitation, a one-stop recreation. Carriages screech and rattle round invisible bends, delineated only by white slices of brightness striping past the glass. Above our heads, we study each stop, a twinkling gem of a necklace, blinking lights, our knuckles white, poised to alight. Tunnels exhale passengers upwards in a gush. Bite-sized conversations hang unanswered in the air. Monotonous monologues permeate passageways. Travellers transformed into unwitting participants in performances never meant for public contemplation.